Okay. Okay, so read the instruction here, Sonia.
Fill in the blanks below which is ROM.
M. Okay, okay. So
And
kita look at the notes here. Tengok nota dekat sini. Okay, so for singular noun, kita guna
is
is. Okay, for plural, we use
R
are. Okay, for uncountable noun. Yang tak boleh kira. Kita guna apa ni?
is
Is. Very good. For I
M
am. Okay, last one. You.
R.
You are. Okay. Okay, so only I sahaja that use am. Okay. Yang lain semua tak ada pakai am. I ni je special, dia guna am. Okay, contoh. I am sick. I am 8 years old. Yang ada I, mesti ada am selepas dia. Okay. Okay, jom kita try. Okay, we try one example. Okay, cikgu baca dulu this example. Ali is sick. Kenapa dia guna is? Because singular. Okay, Ali. Seorang je. Is. So, we ni banyak plural. So, kita guna are. Okay. Okay, so kita tengok example number one. Okay, read first, Sonia.
The man resting under the tree.
Yes, the man resting under the tree. Maksudnya berehat, resting under the tree. Okay, so look at the word here, man. Man, is it plural or singular? Man.
Plural.
Ah, plural. Okay, so this is plural. So what do we put here for plural?
R.
Are. Very good. The men are resting. Okay, under the tree.
Amina and Aisha, but intelligent.
Jen.
Jen.
Ini lagi sekali. Both intelligent.
Both intelligent.
Yes. Okay, Aminah and Aisyah. Okay, so these are two people. Okay, dua orang. So what do we use?
Singular.
Ada dua orang. Plural or singular? Two of
Plural.
them. Ada dua. Plural. So we write here
R.
are. Okay, Aminah and Aisyah are.
She a good girl.
So the answer is she.
Singular.
Yeah, singular. So what do we put here? She
Is.
is. Very good. She is a good girl.
They
Okay.
going to school.
Yes, they going to school. They is plural. Banyak. So we use they
Are.
are. Okay, they are going to school.
The girls late.
Hmm.
Plural.
Plural. Okay, the
Are.
girls are. Okay, good. Girls are late.
All the men sleeping.
Ha. All ni banyak. All, semua. All the men. Depan dia.
Are.
Are. Very good. All the men are sleeping. Okay.
We happy.
Yes, we happy. We.
Plural.
Yes,
Are.
plural. Yes, good. So, baca terus lagi sekali.
We are happy.
Very good. We.
The children is playing in the garden.
Mm-mm-mm. Children ni a lot. So this is plural. Ada banyak
Are.
kanak-kanak. Are. Okay, one more time. The children.
The children are playing in the garden.
Very good.
One of the people
One.
lost.
So the answer is,
One of the people lost
the answer is or are?
is.
Is. Very good, pandai. Okay, baca terus. One of the pupils.
Of one of the people is lost.
Yes, good.
All the teachers are in the staff
Hmm.
room.
Yes, good. All the teachers. Okay, the S. All the teachers. Okay, ni. So this is a question because dia ada tanda soal ni kan. Jadi ni adalah soalan. Okay, kita tengok yang ini Sonia. He. So he singular or plural? He. Ha,
Plural.
lelaki. Seorang je. He.
Singular.
Singular. So for singular kita guna
Is.
is. Okay, so you just put is here. Dia tanya soalan. Okay, cuba baca balik.
Is, is he happy?
Yes. Good. Is he happy? Okay, good. Number 12.
It's very
Easy.
easy.
It is very easy. Okay, sebabkan it. It ni singular. Satu. So, kita guna is. It is very easy. Okay,
The
next one.
woman
Mhm.
in the kitchen.
The woman.
The woman
Saja ni banyak.
are
Ni the women. Ni the women.
the women
Are. Betul. Sebab dia banyak kan? Women.
are
Okay.
in the kitchen.
Yes. The women are in the kitchen.
She baking some cakes.
Hmm.
She she are baking some cakes.
She seorang.
She is baking some
Hmm.
cakes.
Cakes. Very good. She is. Okay. Kita tak tengok perkataan belakang soalnya kita tak tengok cakes. Kita tengok she depannya. Okay. She. Okay.
Mother cooking some
Curry.
curry.
Hmm. Mother. Is ataupun are.
Is
Yes, good. Mother is cooking some curry. Okay, okay. Alah, sikit lagi
Ali
until
and
ni.
I fed.
Ali and I. Okay, ni plural. Ali dan saya. Banyak. So, for plural,
Are
are. Okay,
Ali
Ali and
and I are
I.
fed.
Yes. Okay, Ali and I are fat. Okay,
But the
17.
boxes heavy.
Sonia, both. Both.
Both
Hmm.
the boxes heavy.
hmm. Boxes.
Are
Yes. Okay, baca lagi sekali.
but the boxes are heavy.
Both Sonia both. Both maksudnya dua. Okay, both. Both. The boxes are heavy.
Some the water
Hmm.
dir
Dirty.
dirty
Yes, some of the water. Okay, so water. Okay,
is
water ni is. Okay, because dia adalah uncountable nouns. So, is
some of
dirty.
the water is dirty.
Yes, good. Okay, last one.
Where pasir mas?
Pasir Mas. Pasir Mas pernah dengar ke? Do you know where is Pasir Mas? Pernah dengar tak?
Yeah.
Pernah dengar kan? Pasir Mas ni dekat Kelantan. Okay, Pasir Mas ni. So, ni ada satu saja tempat. Tak ada tempat lain dah. Satu je. So, this is singular. Okay, so what do we put here? Where?
R.
Satu je, singular.
Is.
Yes.
Where
Where
is Pasir Mas?
Yes, where is Pasir Mas? Contoh macam cikgu tanya kan, where is, awak duduk kat mana tadi? Dekat ni Damansara kan?
Ah,
Contoh cikgu tanya, so ni where is Damansara? Okay, where is? Sebab Damansara tu ada satu je. Okay, dekat tempat lain tak ada Damansara. Okay, alright. So kita sampai sini dulu. So, sekejap recording.